Well, it's time to continue our road trip here on the South Island of New Zealand, and I may tell you, we're going more places. Driving down the road, we see a farmer's market. This is definitely local, because I didn't see any other tourists other than us, and there's lots of crafts and food. My favorite booth, the fudge. We're now here at the southern tip of Lake Tekapo, and we're going to check out the area and see what we can find. You know, I've been thinking, I just don't feel Kiwi enough here. This hat, yeah, forget it. Nope, I'm going Kiwi style. Along with earthquakes, always come the hazards of tsunamis. Last night we camped here at Lake Pukaki, and we're not the only ones, but check out that view. There's a reason why we're not the only ones. There's clouds on the horizon, but hopefully they clear up soon. It's time for a little hiking. We are in Hooker Valley. And of course, with that name, you gotta go, but you know, we haven't seen any hookers yet. We're looking. Here we have a memorial to those who have perished in this national park. Here on the bridge, you can have up to 20 people, but that 21st person, especially if they had a big breakfast, it's going to break the bridge. It's time to do a little serious hiking. Let's gain some altitude. That peak there in the distance, that is Mount Cook, and it's over 12,000 feet. I will not be climbing it. I don't have the proper equipment. It does require technical hiking and equipment skills. Now it's time to head all the way back down. Oy! As Cousin Eddie famously once said, shitter's full. Yep, gotta empty it and then refill with fresh water. Time to do the dishes and wrap up part 2 of this video series.